Think you know animals? Think again. From underwater fathers to teeth that never stop growing, these 30 fascinating animal facts will blow your mind. Let's dive right in. Seahorse. Seahorses are monogamous and mate for life, but here's the twist: male seahorses are the ones who get pregnant and give birth. Beaver. Beavers' teeth never stop growing, that's why they constantly gnaw on wood, to keep their teeth from growing too long. Octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body, and get this, their blood is blue. Sloth. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins, they slow their heart rate and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. Elephant. Elephants mourn their dead, they'll touch the bones gently with their trunks and even stay silent for hours at the site. Cow. Cows have best friends and get stressed when they're separated. Yup, they're more emotional than we give them credit for. Ant. Ants can survive underwater for up to 2 weeks by trapping air in tiny bubbles. Blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on Earth, their tongues alone can weigh more than an elephant. Penguin. Penguins have no visible ears but possess exceptional hearing. Rabbit. Rabbits lack foot pads, their feet are covered only in fur, making them the only land mammals with this trait. Flamingo. Flamingos are born white, their pink color comes from the shrimp and algae in their diet. Duck. Ducks have been observed surfing waves during high tides for fun. Bird. Birds are immune to chili peppers due to their limited taste bud sensitivity. Bat. Female bats give birth upside down and catch their newborns mid-air with their wings. Anteater. Anteaters can eat around 35,000 ants in a single day. Pigeon. Pigeons can be trained to recognize artistic styles and distinguish between works by artists like Van Gogh and Dali. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds can fly backward, something no other bird can do. Mosquito. Mosquitoes are the deadliest animals on Earth, causing over 725,000 deaths annually through diseases like malaria and dengue. Sheep. Sheep are social and can recognize familiar faces, they feel happier when reunited with their flock. Orangutan. Orangutans are the heaviest tree-dwelling animals, with males weighing around 75 kilograms and spending most of their time in trees. Rooster. Roosters have built-in earplugs to protect themselves from their own 100+ decibel crows. Pufferfish. Pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. One fish can kill 30 humans, and there's no known antidote. Ostrich. Ostriches can deliver lethal kicks strong enough to kill a human. Shark. Sharks have an extraordinary sense of smell. They can detect a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water or from up to 5 kilometers away. Hippo. Hippos secrete a natural red substance that acts as both sunscreen and moisturizer. Squid. The largest recorded giant squid was 18 meters long, with eyes the size of beach balls. Tortoise. Galapagos tortoises can sleep up to 16 hours a day and survive a year without food or water. Spider. The Japanese spider crab has the widest leg span of any arthropod, reaching nearly 4 meters. Polar bear. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to absorb sunlight more effectively. Tiger. A tiger's stripe pattern is as unique as a human fingerprint. So tell us, out of all these wild facts, which animal totally blew your mind? Drop your favorite in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nature stories that matter.